Hi everybody, it's Kelly from Let's Get Clacking, and in today's video we're going to do a little bit of a why should you buy a Cameo for. Now, there are lots of videos out there that'll tell you all the technical specifications of the Cameo 4, how much downward force it uses, the fact that it has dual carriages, which kinds of blades that you can get, but this is not one of those videos. This video is my personal experience with the Cameo 4 and why I enjoy using it. I'm also not even going to go over all of the features of the Cameo 4, but for me, just why the Silhouette Cameo 4 is a great machine to go for, or even if you're looking at buying a Silhouette Cameo 2 or a Silhouette Cameo 3. A lot of these things are universal to Silhouette, and they don't necessarily mean that you need to have a Cameo 4 in order to use them. Which is kind of the first point that I want to go over, and to me, it is pretty much the most important one, and that is Silhouette Studio. I could pretty much just end the video there. Silhouette Studio is amazing. I mean, it's not the most incredible piece of software. If you want to compare it with like Photoshop as an example, the first time I used Silhouette Studio, I got a little bit irritated because it was a little bit slow and it was a little bit laggy. But once you understand the software and how it works, it really is a robust piece of software that is pretty much, from what I've experienced, the best on the market at the moment. You can do point editing, which means that if you don't like the fact that your corner is, too angled, you can actually extend the points and round it off and have a slightly more rounded corner. You can delete a point if you feel that it shouldn't be there. You can add a point and pull it out a little bit further to have your design changed. You can do offsets, you can work with puzzles, you can create weeding lines. Something as well, which to me is one of the most incredible things about Silhouette Studio, is the tiling feature. This is available only in Business Edition, but essentially what it means is that if you have 70 things on a page that you need to cut, you don't need to sit there manually trying to move all of them into the thing to optimize your space. You just open the tiling feature, you set up your page settings, you enable tiling, and then you have the most optimal use of your space in the tiling feature. You can use a rhinestone feature, you can import SVGs, you can export SVGs, you can export to JPEG, PNG, PDF, you can adjust the images, you can trace, remove backgrounds from within Silhouette Studio. There's just I could probably make an entire video that's an hour long about Silhouette Studio and the different kinds of things that you can do with it. There's the print and cut feature. From what I know about Silhouette Studio, it's probably the best piece of software out there. And the best part about the software, it is free. Obviously I'm making this video in 2021, so as it stands now, the Silhouette Studio software will always remain free for the standard version. You can buy upgrades for the software, and these go all the way up to Business Edition, but this is a once-off fee. You don't have to pay monthly for it. You're not limited to a certain number of designs. You're not limited to only being able to import a certain number of things into the software. One of my favorite features of Silhouette Studio is something that I use all the time, and that's print and cut. So you print something out and then you can cut the exact offset. I mean, it is a little bit of a tricky feature, I'm not going to lie. Once you understand print and cut, it becomes quite easy to be able to troubleshoot the different issues that you may pick up along the way. This is an example of a print and cut that I did with my Cameo 4, and you can see there are lots of tiny little things, and if we zoom in a little closer, not only can you see that the designs are, that the sheet is holographic, but also how beautifully it's actually cut all of these tiny little designs. And this is why I love the print and cut feature on the Cameo. Another thing that I really love about not only my Cameo but about Silhouette is the design store. There are so many ready-made designs on there from I don't even know how many different kinds of designers. And I'm talking about designs that are print and cut, that are regular cut, paper crafts, ready-made cards that you literally just have to cut and stick together. You have 3D crafts as well, not only for the Silhouette Alta, but also for paper making. So you can actually make a box or design a card that, pops up when you open it. And literally all you will have to do for these is buy the design or sign up to a monthly subscription to be able to buy different designs all the time. That's the only monthly subscription that Silhouette has, and you absolutely don't need it to have the software work properly. It's just for designs that you might want to buy. You can also buy buy both the personal as well as commercial use licenses for a lot of these designs. So you'd be able to use them and create things to be able to sell for your business. Then of course we have things on the actual Cameo, like the dual carriage, which was introduced in the Cameo 3, where you can have more than one device and you can select different options for that. So you'd be able to use the pen adapter in the second carriage and you'd be able to draw something, and then on the next pass you can then cut out the design without having to offload, unload, remove the, do all of those kinds of things. You can cut through so many different types of materials. Obviously we've got paper, adhesive vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, wood, balsa wood, normally the quite thin one, because on the Cameo 4 you have a 3mm clearance, so you wouldn't really able to go through, thick wood. Then we also have things like craft foam, foil stickers, or double-sided adhesive tape. There are so many different kinds of materials that you can cut with on the Cameo 4. And obviously, with a lot of the other kind of machines that there are out in the market, I'm sure you'd be able to do a lot of those kinds of similar things. So I'm not going to go too much into that. Another one of my favorite things to use is my foil quill. And now obviously you can use the foil quill on, your Brother Scan and Cut, on your Cricut machines, etc. But when it comes to using with the Silhouette, you can have, like what I've done in one of my other videos, and I'll link it up at the top, is exactly what I was talking about a few moments ago, where you have the dual feature, where you can set up different cut lines for the different features, and you can use your foil quill to foil on your adhesive vinyl or your paper or whatever you're using it on, and then you use your auto blade to then cut it out. If you have any questions on what the Cameo may or may not be able to do, leave them in the comments, and I'll see if I can help you decide on which machine you're wanting to buy. I personally only have experience with the Cameo, so I'm not going to talk too much about the other machines, what they can and can't do, purely because I don't want to give you the wrong information. And if I'm not able to speak from experience myself, then I would rather leave it up to the people who are able to. Which is also why I haven't done a direct comparison in this video of one machine versus the other, and I've only told you why I enjoy using the Cameo 4. If you've just bought a Cameo 4 and you're looking for tutorials, subscribe to my channel at the top here. I do many tutorials on both the Cameo 3 and the Cameo 4, as well as many other things. My latest video will be on this side. Just below that, YouTube will show you something that they think that you'll enjoy. Well, until next time everybody, be kind to someone. See you soon.